Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to the episode number 3 of the Arsenal Career Mode over on FIFA 21. So, first couple of episodes we got off to a very poor start in the league. They're currently 14 in the league. This episode we surely try to rectify that. I'm gonna be playing the game against Wolves Cup. Liverpool is gonna be an interesting game. Probably will play Palace and simulate the Europa League game. So 4 games down in this episode. So it's gonna be a cracker. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the latest contents. And yeah, without any delays, let's begin with our first game against Wolves. So guys, I'm going in this match with a formation change where we're gonna play a 4-4-2. So this is gonna be a proper 4-4-2 for us. So where Pepe is gonna be, of course, he's not high on stamina, so that's why he's not gonna be playing this game. But apart from that, he's gonna be a very crucial member. And this is the formation I'm gonna be playing. So yeah, it looks a decent formation if I'm completely honest. And yeah, 4-4-2 just will try to play this formation. This doesn't suit players like Odegaard because he's a cam, but Odegaard's secondary position is right mid, so we can play him there. Also, we have some stamina issues due to the Europa League game, so that's why I've rotated the team. We've got Aubameyang and Lacazette because I just felt like Aubameyang on the left side wasn't able to utilize his full strengths, what he's got. So yeah, that's why I bring him down the middle. And yeah, Lacazette is also there. So Laka, Auba, no Pepe this episode because of course he has stamina issues, as does Bukayo Saka. So yeah, decent team against Wolves. Wolves are of course a very good team. 3 at the back. It's tough to play Wolves away. They play so well at their home stadium, Wolves. And it's gonna be tough. Reece Nelson has a chance. I could have gone in with someone else, but I've given Nelson the chance. I got a comment that should give Nelson some chances. So that's why I'm gonna give Nelson his chance. And he's got his chance today. Here's Lacazette. Oh, that's good defending. Wolves are just so compact in the middle. It's so tough to get past them. And Leno makes a very important stop there. And now we can go on the counter with Houssem Aouar. Here goes Houssem Aouar. He's played it in towards Aubameyang, who's seen Reece Nelson. This is Reece Nelson's chance to impress. And he's going alone. Reece Nelson just misses by a whisker. Oh my days, Reece Nelson. It was his chance to impress. But I'm happy like he's making runs. He's trying to get on the end of through balls. This is good play from Reece Nelson. And that's what happens when you play 2 up top. Like they both are good distributors, especially Lacazette. Lacazette is a very good distributor of the ball, so it can help us. And currently we are struggling in the league. 5 points, 5 games, not what you want. And Lacazette played it in here for Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and now Aubameyang can accelerate. That's very well defended from Wolves. That it is very well defended. Now here goes Adama Traore. If he starts running, it's going to be tough for us. Dendonka. And it's played back to Dendonka here. Oh, size. Wolves keeping possession well here. And here's Raul Jimenez. And played it out here to Dendonka. And who's now given it to Adama Traore, which is a very dangerous thing for us. Adama Traore. Again, similar sort of a chance to what Reece Nelson got on the other end, but a lot closer, I'd have to say. So we ain't got Pau Torres for this game. Of course, he did it too at the Molineux. It's always a tough stadium to visit, and we're probably gonna drop points again. We probably shouldn't be dropping them. And Kieran Tierney cuts it out for Smith Rowe. Honestly, he's made an impact, Smith Rowe. It has to be said, and it slid it in towards Lacazette. Lacazette has missed it. What a miss from Alex Lacazette there. What a miss. Getting a very good chance. Misses it. Thomas Partey goes out for Ceballos. They're gonna make the change now. I'm tempted to bring now. Pepe isn't on the bench, so that is mistake on my part probably. But Bukayo Saka now comes up to the right, and for Reece Nelson, who has had a good game, he's impressed me. Reece Nelson I have to say that he's impressed me. But Bukayo Saka in, hopefully he can give us something more extra. And Lacazette, that miss was just horrible. How does he miss that sort of an opportunity here? And now Aubameyang, he shouldn't miss it. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, Aubameyang scores, and we take the lead at Molineux. What a big moment in the match! Great interplay between Lacazette and Aubameyang. That's why we switched the formations around. Second goal in the Premier League for Aubameyang, and we take the lead. And now it's just about staying in the game now. Defend well, see the game off. Wolves. It has been an even game. I have to say it has been an even game, and both teams have played well. But it's been a formation difference for me which has taken it. Because if Aubameyang doesn't play as a forward, that goal never happens. So yeah, it's that I think what has won us the game. Now it's all about staying on the back foot, giving Wolves every inch of it, just pushing them back as much as possible, and Lacazette doing some defensive work there as well. Just stay back. We are in our shape, just not giving Wolves any sort of chances. Ainsley Maitland-Niles now. Oh, that's well done from Wolves. Wolves have done well there. And oh, what a block! No! It's heartbreak at the Molineux for us. João Moutinho. Why does this always happen? Why does this always happen? It's heartbreak at the Molineux for us. Oh my days, why does this always happen? It's a draw, and our poor form just continues. Very bad, it is gonna have to be said. We should have won that match. How unlucky are we to draw Liverpool in the third round of the Carabao Cup? And look at Liverpool. They've gone with the number one team, apart from probably Davies at centre back. But we are not leaving anything behind us. We are going with arguably our number one team. No Partey, no Saka, but apart from that, full stamina. I wanna give everything in this match, and just like take our concentration away from the Premier League for some time, because Premier League has been disastrous for us. So take concentration off that, and now to a new competition. Liverpool at Anfield, always gonna be tough. So yeah, let's just move our focus from the Premier League to the Carabao Cup, a competition I couldn't care less. But sometimes, like when we are in bad form, a win could do wonders for us. A performance at Anfield, more crucial. So yeah, let's begin away at Liverpool in the Carabao Cup. Tough fixture. We of course have to win this. We bottled it at the Molineux. We lost the game in the 90th minute. Not lost, but we drew the game in the 90th minute, which was always tough. Here comes Sadio Mane. Liverpool are with full stamina as well. So here's Fabinho for Liverpool, trying to defend this. Now this is probably gonna be the story of the game. Liverpool trying to attack. They've hit the post. Liverpool is given away again. This is gonna be the story of the game now. This is gonna be the story of the game, and here it is. Fabinho scores. Always gonna happen that Liverpool are just too good, and we at this point of time just aren't good enough. And yeah, we are already behind against Liverpool. Passes aren't going anywhere. We are struggling, and now it's gonna be really tough for us. Look, no one is marking anyone on the back post. Kieran Tierney is with Gabriel. No one is marking anyone, and I just don't understand this. How is this happening? We're playing so bad, and it's just absolutely appalling that we are playing so bad here. And now here is Martin Odegaard. He's got a chance in camp today because Thomas Partey has stamina issues. So he's got a chance in camp. So he's gonna take his chance now, Martin Odegaard. He's one of the sacrifices we've made for the formation change and for bringing um, Lacazette and Aubameyang together. He's one of the sacrifices of that. And here's Lacazette. Oh, that's well taken away. Virgil van Dijk there doing extremely well. So yeah, that's one of the sacrifices of playing that formation for us. We just can't. This is outrageous from Liverpool. They're just destroying us. Salah, Mane, Firmino, everyone. They're just dismantling us here. They should be 3-0 up by now. They should be easily 3-0 up. And it's played in towards Mane. And Pepe can get it away. And that's what I want from Nicolas Pepe. Pace now. Pace is God on FIFA. Nicolas Pepe has abundance of it. Oh, that was a good challenge there, by the way. And now, here goes Emil Smith-Rowe. Anyone making a run? Anyone making a run? Oh, it's a corner. Odegaard was making the run on the far post, to be fair. Now I'm gonna give it to Lacazette or Aubameyang. Let's give it to Aubameyang. Odegaard's ball in for Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. It's fallen out to Salah now. Here come Liverpool on the counter. Salah needs support. He gets it from Mane. It's in towards Firmino. That's very well done from Pau Torres. Extremely well done from him. And now, here come Liverpool again. Salah versus Tierney. Tierney always losing that battle. Amazingly done. In towards Mane. 2-0. This is a practice match for Liverpool. We just are not good enough currently for competing with Liverpool. We're gonna lose easily here. They are and I just don't understand how their players are at full stamina. We haven't got Thomas Partey and we are missing Partey so much. We're missing Partey like anything because Thomas Partey provides solidity and we haven't got any of that. If Salah chipped Leno, I would be absolutely fuming with that. Emil Smith-Rowe showing some courage, and now Kieran Tierney on the front foot. We have to give a good account of ourselves, and we are. And here's Lacazette versus Alisson. He somehow missed it. Alex Lacazette. Kieran Tierney on the rebound also misses it. Oh, what a chance. What an absolute chance. And we have created a chance. That was an outrageous chance for Lacazette. He should do better with his finishing, Lacazette. He should be doing better with his finishing all day long. It was a great opportunity and it came from none other than Kieran Tierney, who is the heart and soul of our left side, especially when Bukayo Saka is not playing. And that's very well defended. And here goes Nicolas Pepe. So we are showing some signs here. We're showing some signs. Here's Lacazette. He's got no options with him. He's given it to Odegaard. In here is Nicolas Pepe. We've scored. And Nicolas Pepe, he's the player of the episode. Last episode, he was the player of the episode. This time, he's having a good chance doing that. Odegaard doing a proper playmaker thing, not having the shot. And we are 2-1 now, so we've got some chance at Anfield here. It's not a complete. I want to win this and do well here. And here's Emerson. He's made a mistake. Will it cost us? It doesn't. Emerson, he's the luckiest man at Anfield currently. Pepe, oh come on. Nicolas Pepe is getting dispossessed like that. It ain't acceptable. And Jordan Henderson, 3-1. Just when we get some sort of a hope, Liverpool do that. That's unstoppable from Liverpool. You can't stop that sort of gameplay from Liverpool. It's just outrageous how well they play like that. Kieran Tierney. In here is Bukayo Saka, but that's well defended from Trent. And here is Keita. He's played it in. Emerson can clear it away. And Odegaard fouled. Not given the foul. Referee hasn't given it. And we've managed to get it away with Houssem Aouar. And he's given it to Saka. And here is Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang running away from Davies. Here is Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. We have a chance. We have a chance. Aubameyang, stop celebrating. Stop celebrating, Aubameyang. I'm gonna bring on Thomas Partey for Aouar. Fresh legs in. This could be it now. Final 10 minutes. Full attacking football. Let's get something out of this Carabao Cup match. Come on, surely this would be a steal. Liverpool have dominated the game, but we've shown a lot of courage to have any sort of power to get back into it. And here's Martin Odegaard, and he's given it to Lacazette, and now Lacazette, Aubameyang is through. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang! Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang has scored, and it's 3-3 at Anfield with 7 minutes to go. It's the comeback of dreams. It's an absolute comeback of dreams here. Aubameyang with hat-trick? No, with a brace. Nicolas Pepe scored one. So, outrageous this from us. This is outrageous. This is what we want to see. But come on, surely we can't concede now. Surely we can't concede. Surely we can't boot it away. He's done that and he's given it to Aubameyang. And Aubameyang has now released Bukayo Saka, who's on the front foot. Here is Bukayo Saka. And there we have hit the post. No. We've hit the post. Oh, how do you miss that? How do you even miss that? Oh my God, we were nearly home. We'd done the Remontada 2.0. We've done the Remontada 2.0. And it's gonna go to pens now. It's down to penalties now. Oh my days, this is outrageous pressure here. I'm gonna switch them to around, and yeah, that's gonna be my team. Oh my God, it's now Remontada 2.0. Leno can't make the save from Fabinho. Nicolas Pepe. I missed a penalty against Manchester City last time around. Pepe scores. Oh my God, Alisson dived the right way. But now, here it is. Mo Salah. Leno saves. Now, here's Bukayo Saka here. I'm gonna go the same way. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go the same way. And Bukayo Saka, wonderful pen from Bukayo Saka. This could be the Remontada 2.0 here. Oh, nearly. And Liverpool score. Here's Lacazette here. Now, this is gonna be tough. Lacazette, top bins. Come on, top bins. Never in doubt. Alex Lacazette. Here's Sadio Mane here. Oh, Mane sends me the wrong way. Now, we've got to score this to put pressure on Liverpool here. Martin Odegaard, top bins Martin. We've done it now. Leno makes the save of Henderson, and we are through. And Henderson misses. What a Carabao Cup classic. We have done it versus Liverpool. 3-0 down. And coming up from nowhere to win the game. What an outrageous result for us. And Henderson misses, and outrageous for us. We win 3-4 on penalties versus Liverpool. One of the best games of FIFA I've ever played. And I'm absolutely happy here. First half we were absolutely nowhere. But then suddenly we've shown the courage, we've shown the bottle to go and do what we've done. This is outrageous from this squad, and I'm very happy for it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sim past the Palace game, because last game of the episode now. We should be beating Palace after the amazing win against Liverpool. I'm gonna look. This is our number 1 team versus Crystal Palace. High on confidence, high on stamina, and we beat Paris 2-0. Saka, Aubameyang. So wonderful episode for us. No losses. Beaten Liverpool. Excellent. And last episode's player of the episode I'm gonna announce, which is Nicola Pepe. What an excellent episode last time around for him. This episode, Aubameyang is certainly one I'm looking at. And yeah, that's it from me for now. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the latest contents. And I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.